Hi, my name is Dre from Crafts with Dre, and today we're going to be talking about TotalBoat's brand new Razzo Starter Kit. This is a great new mineral compound for casting. It has low VOCs and no solvents. In the starter kit, you have the acrylic liquid, you have a mineral casting compound, we have stir sticks and mixing cups, you have a measuring scoop, a silicone mold, silicone mat, latex gloves, and you have your pigment powder. Razzo is a 1:2 ratio acrylic liquid to mineral casting compound. So before you get started, you want to shake the acrylic liquid mix very well, and then grab it from the top before you pour. So I made the mistake when I first started doing this. I grabbed it from the bottom.
Oh. Yeah,
yeah, it was a terrible time. We're going to use the measuring cup. And you want to pour your acrylic liquid first. Using Razzo is similar to baking, where you want to make sure that the mineral casting compound is level in your measuring scoop. And now you want to mix it really well until it's about the consistency of a waffle batter. So if you notice that you're not getting the consistency that you'd like, you can always add a little bit more of the acrylic liquid. You want to make sure that you are mixing really well and you are scraping the sides of the cup and then also scraping the popsicle stick. And now we get to play with color. The kit comes with your primary colors in black and white. You can always mix them together to create your own colors. I'm going to be doing multiple colors, and we're going to try to do the colors of the rainbow. You can use the mold to create a small dish or a coaster. So the first pour, we're going to do a couple lines of color, and we're going to be doing a color pull technique. Razzo has a curing process. It gets warm first, and then once it's cool to the touch, that's when it's ready to demold. And there's your final result. Ta-da! You can try all different types of silicone molds. You've got everything you need to experiment and create art pieces. This kit has everything you need to get started with Razzo.